Good morning. Welcome to my Market Maker Monday for February 20th, 2023. Hey, I'm Tom Miller with eXp Realty, and today we're going to talk about how interest rates affect the value of your home. But first, let's pop into some quick market information. We've got 2,430 active listings as of this morning on the market. You know, I'm starting to see that inventory number level out a little bit, and it's going to be interesting to see as we get towards March here if we're going to see more inventory hit the market, or if we're going to stay in this kind of low inventory situation and make it difficult for buyers. In the last 7 days, we've seen 202 new listings. We've seen 178 listings go pending, so they've accepted a contract and are no longer on the market. We've seen 104 homes sell, and we've seen 34 listings either expire or cancel. So if you've been paying attention to these videos for the past month, you'll notice those numbers are starting to be pretty consistent. Again, this is kind of the slowest time of the year, so it'll be interesting to see as we get into March and the spring market really takes off, what happens to these numbers. You know, I'm going to talk a little bit about interest rates for a minute. Like I started out when I mentioned that interest rates really affect the value of your home, because, you know, if you think about yourself as a buyer, when buyers are out in the market, buyers are really working with a payment that they're comfortable with. And as interest rates shift around, that affects what people can afford for a price. And that affects, you know, buyers' expectations as well. And though I don't think we're going to see a lot of major changes in our pricing here in central Iowa, like some markets across the country are seeing pretty major declines in property values, I think we're going to continue to see demand stay fairly strong here, and I think we're going to see house prices really hang in there this spring. Will we see appreciation of homes this year? I don't know. It's going to be very dependent on interest rates. I think the important thing to watch is going to be the 6% number is, to me, kind of the balancing point in the market. I think as we get above 6%, we're going to see the market cool off and probably property values cool off just a little bit. And I think if we dip below 6%, you're going to see the market catch fire, and you're probably going to see property values go up again. So it's going to be very dependent on where interest rates go this year. I don't think anybody can predict what's going to happen with that right now. So it's going to be kind of a wait and see. But, you know, interest rates affect affordability, and affordability affects buyers in the market, and buyers in the market are what drive home values. So again, let's pay attention this spring. I'm excited. I've got a couple new offerings that I'm going to be shooting out in the next couple weeks here. My Tell Your Story listing program and my Buy Like a Pro off-market home buying program. I'm going to be launching both those here in the next couple weeks, and I've been working hard on getting those ready. I'm real excited about them. Both are going to position you, if you're a buyer in the market, we're going to position you to have more options than everybody else. And if you're a seller in the market, we're going to position your home to be a lot more attractive than other homes on the market, because we're going to market the heck out of your home. And I'm really excited to share these programs with you. So anyway, look for those to come out. If you're thinking about making a move this spring, probably time to talk so we can get prepared, because a little bit of preparation goes a long ways. And let's hope this sun keeps shining and the temperatures keep coming up. Hope you have a great week. We'll talk to you next week.